Interested in a Phoenix life insurance company? I'm Chad McMahon with Protect with Insurance. I'll be happy to help you with this. So there are a lot of life insurance companies that represent the Phoenix, Arizona area, and of course the rest of the state as well. There is a company called Phoenix Life Insurance, also known as Nassau. They're a great company. We've got access to them along with a lot of other companies as well. The bottom line when it comes to a Phoenix life insurance company, or some people refer to it as a Phoenix AZ, life insurance company. It's the same thing. Is that you want to have access to more than one company. You never want to go to one life insurance company to get pricing and then say, yes, let's do it. Okay, that'd be like meeting one person and getting married rather than meeting other people first. And I'm not talking about dating one person and marrying them. More power to you if you find the right person, that's great. I'm talking about if you only know one person in your life and you say, let's get married, let's do it. You got to meet a lot of people. You've absolutely got to check out pricing and product options for a lot of life insurance companies. Now, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of hassle to do that on your own. The absolute best is going to sound like a load full of bias here, but this is the true story. And this is the same thing I tell my mom, my dad, my brother, the rest of my family, my best friends. It is absolutely the best thing to choose an agent who's going to have that access for you. Or if you're willing to, meet with a lot of agents, and that's your choice. It's absolutely your choice to make. It's kind of the old school way of doing it. You just sit down with a lot of people and conduct a lot of interviews, essentially, where you're finding out what your Phoenix, Arizona life insurance company options are. And so the easiest way for you, the simplest, fastest solution, and it's going to get you great pricing, I guarantee it, is going to be if you choose an independent broker. Okay, it doesn't have to be me. It doesn't have to be someone with my agency, with my team. Choose an independent broker that is very high rated. You're going to want someone with strong reviews, but more importantly, you're going to want someone that has a high rating. And that way you know that you're getting a good, reputable, strong source that treats people well. Okay, so you want to choose an independent broker that is going to shop for you, and they're going to look at all of these Phoenix life insurance options, all these, Arizona life insurance companies. They're going to look at them for you. And the advantage of going with an independent broker like that is they're also going to open it up. They're going to look at options in other states as well, which is likely where you're going to get your best pricing, honestly. The companies that tend to give the best pricing, they come out of states like, they come out of Texas, they come out of Nebraska. There are some good options in Arizona as well, but they're rarely the best pricing. And these other companies in the other states, they have very high ratings, some of the best you can possibly get out of the entire country. And again, not talking about reviews here. I'm talking about financial solvency. I'm talking about predictability to pay and pay on time, things like that. So this is my best advice. So when it comes to a Phoenix, Arizona life insurance company or anywhere else, just make sure that you're really digging in there. You're looking at options because they're not all created the same. They do not all have the same pricing. It's based on actuarial tables. It's based on profit margins. It's based on ratings. And if you're looking at companies that are not A rated and they're B or C rated, beware. Beware of those companies. That's my last word of caution on that. There are a lot of companies that are not A rated, and it's because they're not financially solvent. That is a very slippery slope. So be careful about that. Life insurance companies having a high A rating, it's very important. It's a very important thing. It protects you, but more importantly, it protects your beneficiaries. Why pay into a policy over however long, whether it's months, years, etc., if it's not going to pay out to your beneficiaries when you pass away? And that's the whole point, right? So I hope that's been helpful. Reach out to me. If I can help you specifically with any question, any concern, I am happy to do that for you. This is Chad McMahon with Protect with Insurance, trying to do my best to answer your questions on, Phoenix, Arizona life insurance companies. And again, if there's anything else I can do, please reach out to me. Take care.